Hi guys. So it's been a while since we've done messages from your person, their thoughts and feelings. So I thought today would be a good day to look at that. So what we're looking at today is what is something important that your person wants to tell you today. Okay. So in front of you are three piles, pile 1, 2 and 3. Pile 1 is this, I think it's an Amazonite, I feel, maybe, or maybe sodalite, I'm not sure. Pile 2 is the tiger's eye, and pile 3 is the amethyst. All right, so please pause your videos and pick your pile. What is something important that your person wants to tell you today? Okay, so please pick your pile. Okay, so let's start with the pile 1. Okay, so pile 1 with the sodalite or Amazonite. What does your person want to tell you today? Knight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, okay, and Three of Pentacles. All right. Oh my God. All the cards in this are pentacle cards. Your person, pile 1, wants to tell you something very tangible, very solid, that they are working on something very solid in terms of this connection. Okay, because I'm seeing all pentacle cards, and pentacles are generally, cards for, this is the suit of, the practical world, the material world, the practical world, something tangible. Now going by the cards, okay, I'm seeing that your person wants to tell you that they want to give you a lot. Okay, with the Six of Pentacles here, I am sensing that your person is, someone who, doesn't want to do like a half-baked job. Okay, they want to give you a lot of things, like, I'm seeing this, like person giving this person these coins, okay, and there's so many of them, right? So in various areas your person wants to give you things, okay, and they want to keep doing this eternally, because like it's a number 8, it's the sign of eternity here, right? Your person wants to tell you that they want to give you a lot and for a long period of time. All right, in various areas of life, right? And that intention is what they're working on right now, and that is the reason why things might seem slow in your connection. All right, your person seems to be a very practical person, okay, possibly an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or might be having those placements quite prominently in their charts. Now this is a person who is slow but steady, right? With the Knight of Pentacles here, your person is moving towards you, but they are moving slowly because they want a strong foundation, pile 1. All right, they are, I sense, at the Three of Pentacles right now, and they need or they want to get to the Ten of Pentacles, right? They want to offer you this, beautiful, tangible, solid family life, okay? I'm assuming this is obviously a romantic connection. I'm seeing the tree of life here. I'm even seeing this as some sort of like, a celebration of some sort, because, we're seeing like, all these lights here, and people frolicking around, and it seems more like a party. They want to set up this family with you. There's the tree of life symbol here that I'm seeing. So it's more like, your person wants to give you everything. With the 10 of Pentacles and the 6 of Pentacles, this is your person telling you that they want to give you the world. All right? They want to give you perfect, solid happiness. And they are basically working towards it step by step. All right? Yes, you might feel that your person is, like nowhere around, and is it ever going to happen? If it's so slow, is it ever going to work out? But this is your person saying that they are building. It's possible also that your person might be, sort of concentrating on the building blocks of life, their foundations at this time. Maybe it's work related. I do feel for a lot of you that it's work related, because, I'm seeing collaborations here. So maybe your person is kind of, trying to set up like, a firm financial foundation. This has a lot to do with finances, actually. I think your person is working towards, the major message I'm getting is your person is working towards some sort of financial stability here. All right? They might be getting into collaborations with people. There might be people helping them, and they have, reached, they've kind of made a structure of what they would like, to sort of have in the future, right? And they are building on that, right? So we are seeing like from 3 to 6 to 10. All right, so your person is progressing on this foundation, and once they have come here, I think your person would be ready to give you what you want. All right, the kind of solidity, the kind of like commitment that you want, right? I really feel this person is not someone, could be a Capricorn, I'm getting. This person is not someone who, rushes and does things. This person is a very slow yet steady sort of person. And I'm getting a hint of, like a very, I don't know, a sort of a masculine energy here, that, like, until they don't see themselves as accomplished, they would not like to come forward, right? Because they want to impress you. They want to give you a lot, pile number 1. They want to have a family with you. They want to tell you that there's no doubt in their mind, there's no hesitation, and they need you to know that they want this family with you. They probably want children with you, pets, a home, celebrations, parties, like they want like a whole life, to be built around you, right? They want to give you that kind of life. With the 6 of Pentacles and the 10 of Pentacles, your person wants to tell you that they want to give you a life like this, where everything is in balance, where they are generous. This person is a very generous person, pile number 1. I feel they're generous not only with their finances, but also with their love. That is the reason why this person wants to do so much for you. And yes, they are slow, but they're very steady. I'm not getting the vibe here of this person, having their eye on anybody else. They're very focused, very dedicated to what they want to build with you. All right. Now, if you are, questioning, if this person is ever going to get there, they will. It's all a progression, if you can see. 3, 6, 10. It's slow, yes, it's a slow progression, but it's a progression. So I would say that, in the next, maybe in the next 3 to 6 months, 3 to 10 months, I would say, your person would be able to offer you something. Please apply the timings as they fit. But in terms of the message, I'm getting that, your person wants to present you with the whole package. All right, they don't want to do it halfway. They don't want you to see them as someone lesser or someone who's not able to handle things. They want to be their best when they arrive in front of you and offer you whatever it is that they want to offer. Right now, I do feel that your person is in the initial stages, so it could take time before they can offer that. And obviously it's absolutely up to you whether you want to wait for this person or not, but this is a very committed person. All right, it's possible that this person is also very spiritually linked to you, because I'm seeing the Tree of Life. So there are a lot of threads here that I can see between both of you, connecting the both of you. And it's also possible after you unite with your person, you are going to be impacting other people as well. But more so from your person's side, I'm really feeling that your person wants you to just be a little bit patient. All right, just be a little bit patient, be slow, be slow and steady in terms of this connection. Don't rush to conclusions, don't jump to conclusions, right? This is going to happen. Your person is going to give you this. They are all set on this and they are going to give you this. So please don't worry, pile number 1. Your person wants to tell you that they are working and they're progressing towards giving you something that is very beautiful in your life. All right, something that will make you happy. Perhaps your person also wants to have a family with you. They want to give you all the abundance. All right, now I want to see if there's anything else that comes up here that your person wants to tell you. Six of Cups, Ace of Wands, the Hanged Man, okay, and bottom of the deck, the World. Okay, so so your person is trying to tell you that they are looking forward to meeting up with you very soon. Okay, there has been some sort of an awakening that has happened. They want you to know that they are awakened to this connection. All right, they are awakened to this connection. I also feel with this that they are psychically or intuitively seeing you or communicating with you or something on those lines. All right, this flame has been lit in your person, and they are looking forward, or they're planning this meeting. Perhaps on a more spiritual level, your person might even be having past life memories of your times together, because I do feel this is a very connected connection. But at this time, they are in pause mode. They are trying to understand this connection. They're trying to understand their feelings, I sense. Why is it that they're feeling so strongly? There seems to be a lot of passion, wanting to give, some sort of familiarity. Your person is kind of trying to come to terms with their feelings and about this connection with you. I feel that this connection with you has turned your person's world upside down. It's almost like a 180 degrees, and I feel they might even have spiritually awakened because of this connection that you have with them. Right, and at the bottom of the deck we have the World, okay, which means that they are about to close this chapter. Perhaps they will close this chapter into 2021, because we have the World card, which is 21. So this is your person coming right side up again, right? And then we are getting to the King of Wands, and then they approach you. All right, then the speed picks up. All right, so the reason that your person is at this time slow is firstly because they're working on some sort of a material foundation, right? And the second thing that they want to tell you here is that the connection with you has sort of like changed their whole perspective about life, about reality. They are, I don't know, with the Six of Cups, I feel they want to meet you. There's a lot of passion here as well. Um, there might be some sort of intuitive connections. There might be past life recalls also. So I don't know, all of this is going on in your person's mind, and I think they're trying to come to terms with the fact that, you know, what is this connection all about? I'm getting this as a very strong message. You have caused some sort of a spiritual awakening in your person, pile number one. Okay, and this is something important, and that your person wants to tell you, right? Because I feel that they were at this Knight of Pentacles energy, just going about their day, going about their work, all right, and then suddenly you happened. Okay, perhaps you were very very giving, very loving, and it kind of caused this person to have some sort of an awakening, to a dream of having this beautiful future with you. And now they're probably trying to understand, like, how do they go about this? How did this happen? Because I feel at one point of time your person might have been, quite laid back, not really interested in, family life or something. But now suddenly there is this big urge, to give, right? Because the whole perspective has changed here. They have this dream of a family with you, pile number one. Top of the deck, I have Eight of Swords. So yeah, your person is a bit, like conflicted between their heart and their mind. Okay, it's like one part of them is trying to rationalize this connection, and the other part of them just feels it, So it's like, this is why your person is, hanging upside down at this point, is trying to figure it out. And then we have the Wheel, so your person will succeed in, climbing up out of their doubts and claiming their destiny, which is with you, pile number one. All right, so this is a very important message. And then we have Nine of Cups. So they are going to go for their wish fulfillment. All right, and they're going to give you your wish fulfillment, pile number one. All right, so please don't doubt your person, because they are right now trying to figure out why is it that they feel what they do for you. And I sense that they're very strong feelings. I'm getting a very strong feeling that they are having some sort of memories. It's even possible that they are looking at your photographs or something, if you know this person. For some of you, I feel you know this person, and this person is suddenly like thinking about you, looking at your photographs or something. And for people who don't know this person, they are having some sort of past life recalls or something on those lines, or you just seem familiar to this person. You've awakened this person, right? So this is what I'm getting as a very important message from your person, that they want to give you a lot, pile number one. Okay, and so you need to be patient, because your person would be better able to do that when you are patient with them. All right, okay, now let's go to pile number two. Right, so pile number two is the Tiger's Eye. Three of Wands, the Magician, Three of Cups, and Eight of Wands. Okay. Pile number two, I feel that your person is thinking about you right now. I think you guys might be in separation. I feel your person is thinking a lot about you, about the future. It's even possible that they want to connect, or sort of like connect to a group of your friends, because I'm sensing in this spread that maybe you guys are not in touch, right? And I don't know, maybe they don't have any way or something to get in touch with you. So they are thinking of, like maybe connecting with some of your friends or something in order to, communicate with you, right? Now, I feel that your person is sort of planning the future here, okay? They are thinking about the future. There is no set plan and action yet, but they are thinking about the future and they want to manifest this future with you. Pile number 2. That is what your person wants to tell you, okay? And they want to do this soon, I sense, okay? Because with the 8 of Wands, there's a sense of, like urgency here. Your person, with the Magician card here, this is a very strong card. Your person has realized that they are the ones who need to move now, okay, is what I'm getting. They've realized that they are the ones who need to decide, who need to move, and who need to actually make something happen in this connection. And they want to do it now. They want to do it fast, or at least they're thinking of doing this fast, or making this decision and making things happen fast. I am getting a very strong sense here that your person wants to or is planning some sort of a meeting. Somehow these two cards are really, really attracting me. I feel that your person is kind of thinking about wanting to communicate with your friends if they're not in touch with you, or with you to meet up with you, so that they can understand better what decision they have to take in the future, right? There is a lot of manifestation energy here. It's like your person, they want to sort of like experience some more times with you, some more interaction with you, to come to a decision of some sort. It's possible for quite a few of you that this is quite a new connection and your person wants to get to know you a little bit more. Maybe not, face to face, but maybe in like, friendly setting. For some of you, I feel this person just wants to be friends at first, so that they can get to know you, so that they can make a decision about the future, for this connection. All right. Now let's see, what else does your person want to tell you, which is important. We have 5 of Wands and the Lovers and the Page of Cups. All right, and at the bottom of the deck we have King of Cups. All right, okay. So guys, this is a person. Your person, pile number 1, is a very loving person, okay? Somehow I think their capacity for love is huge, right? I'm seeing the King of Cups here, right? The King of Cups, the Knight of Wands, the Sun. Okay, this person, they have a lot to give you. This person in general has a lot to give in connections. But I sense with the 5 of Wands here that they are at this time conflicted. They haven't yet decided for you, because this lovers card is also that of choice. All right, they haven't yet decided for you because they are going through some sort of conflict here, maybe other people's opinions, maybe their own self, and maybe that is the reason why your person wants to get to know you a little bit more, so that they can decide for you. I do sense with the Page of Cups here that your person is kind of like, light-heartedly sort of behaving with you, maybe just, a little casual, maybe a little flirtatious or just friendly or something like that, because they have not yet decided, pile number 2, about whether they want to go for you or not. If your person decides for you, then they are coming up as King of Cups, Knight of Wands, and the Sun. This is a person who is very, very emotionally mature, very passionate, and very joyful. I mean, this is like, I don't know, I'm getting like a big burst of light. You know, this person can make you incredibly happy, pile number 2. But they need to decide for it. And that is what your person wants to tell you today. This is something important they want to tell you today. That, you know, they might be acting a little casual, a little friendly at this point with you. And maybe you are sort of wondering, you know, maybe you are conflicted as to what does this person really want from me? You know, do they like me? Do they not? Maybe they're a little hot and cold at times. And so, your person wants to tell you that, you know, they are still deciding. They are still deciding for you. I do feel with the Lovers card that they do have a lot of feelings. I'm seeing so much of water here. I'm seeing the Lovers card here. So this person has feelings for you, but, you know, they are not yet ready to dive deep because they have not decided yet. Once they decide for you, pile number 1, pile number 2, then they are going to be an incredibly deep and very, very, you know, loving and giving person. All right, this is a person I sense, you know, who doesn't take their feelings, you know, casually. They might appear casual, but this is a very serious person, and when they decide, they go all in, which is the reason why this person, you know, is not really, like, you know, is not really playing their cards too quickly. All right, they might be talking a lot, there might be a lot of meetings and all that stuff, but they're not really coming out with it, I feel, you know, because I feel they're still trying to decide. They do want to increase communication. I do sense with the 8 of Wands that this person wants to increase communication with you, but it might be on a little bit of a casual level. So, you know, you might be a little confused as to what they really want, but they're just trying to test the waters, pile number 2. Yeah, with the Moon card at the top, this is a very deep person. This is the main message I'm getting. Your person wants to tell you that they are basically, once they're in, they're in. Okay, this is a very serious person, and so they don't decide just like that. They need to know you perfectly. They need to analyze this. Yes, and they are waiting, right? They are waiting and watching, you know, this connection, how it unfolds, because once this person sort of, you know, like decides, their hook, line and sinker is what I'm getting. And then with the Empress here, very, you know, this person might be looking for a partner. Actually, they're not looking for a fling, they're looking for a partnership. They're looking for maybe a spouse or something like that, to set up a family with. So this person is, I don't know, like, I'm getting that this person is just trying to be a little safe. Okay, a little safe, you know, in this connection, so that, you know, once they understand you better, then, you know, they are going to be, you know, like, all in, basically. All right, so if you like this person, if you really want a long-term connection with this person, pile number 2, I suggest that you wait it out and communicate whenever this person wants to, right? Obviously, I mean, I leave it up to you how you behave, because this is a general reading, we don't know. But it's like, this person might act casual, but they are very deep, is what I'm getting. This is what they want to convey, you know, in this reading, that, you know, you should not be, you know, like, taken in by appearances. Okay, so this is what I'm getting for you guys, pile number 2, for what your person wants to tell you. Okay, now let's go to pile 3. All right, so pile 3 with the amethyst. Queen of Cups, 10 of Wands, the Fools, and Judgment. Okay, so pile number 3. What does your person want to, something important that your person wants to tell you? I think pile number 3, that your person wants to tell you that they're very emotional about you. Okay, I mean, with the Queen of Cups, it's almost like, maybe you guys are even, telepathically in connect. But in any case, like your person, I feel, is very emotional about you. There's a lot of feelings here, I feel. They want to tell you that very importantly. Okay, and I don't know, maybe something happened in your connection, or maybe something happened in the past, because this person is feeling very burdened at this time, emotionally burdened. It's baggage from the past. Maybe it's like they are carrying a lot of baggage, which makes them like this, which makes them emotional. And maybe you guys are not in connection because they're trying to work through their baggage or something like that. But what they want to tell you is that they have, or they are coming to some sort of a judgment call, some sort of a decision to launch them into this new future with you. Okay, they want to tell you that the time is coming, or it has already come, and they are actually trying to decide, to actually take a leap of faith and come towards you, because they cannot help their feelings for you, I feel. I do sense that this person might have kind of tried to avoid this connection in the past, maybe because of all the, like baggage they have, or whatever, it is. This is a person who has gone through a lot. I really feel that they have gone through a lot, and they're carrying heavy emotions or shadows or something like that. But your person is awakened now, or is awakening to this connection, and they're feeling a lot of emotion, pile number 3. So if in the past the baggage, was preventing them from seeing this connection properly, now with this awakening, your person is having this surge of emotion, or surges of emotion, and kind of letting go of any kind of limiting thoughts or emotions or something like that. They're almost ready to plunge into this connection, to plunge into this adventure of a connection. Your person has had some sort of an awakening, pile number 3, I sense. All right. They also feel that you are someone who is incredibly nurturing, very, very, you've been someone who's been there for them, and, they are kind of feeling slightly guilty, I feel, for having leaned on you during their tough time and not give you your due. All right. But now they're coming to that sort of realization that, they cannot do without you. That's what I'm getting. Okay, let's clarify a little bit. We have the 4 of Cups, the Sun, and the 3 of Pentacles. Okay. and Queen of Wands at the bottom. Yeah, so your person might be in this energy, pile number 3, of like kind of being bored, and there you are offering them your cup of love, but they seem to be like having their sights somewhere else, and you might be wondering like what's up with them, are they even interested? But it's like your person they are building up now. Okay, from the 10 of Wands I'm seeing the awakening happening, the Fool, which is a new start, and then building their own confidence, their own strength, basically. Because this was a person who I think they had a pretty tough time, in the past, and maybe for some of you, I think their confidence, their hope, stuff like that died down. Maybe this person went through something pretty major, I feel. So now it's like they have built up their hopes, they have built up their confidence, or they are building it up right now so that they can take this leap of faith towards you. This person has a lot of they have a lot of feelings for you. I still feel with the Sun and the Queen of Cups here, I really feel your person has a lot of feelings. But for some of you, I feel your person is kind of building up their confidence to come and take a leap of faith towards you, to tell you, what they feel. I think this person might have been, for some of you, I feel, this person might have been hiding their feelings because they didn't feel confident enough to sort of expose their feelings towards you. But they have so much feeling, and perhaps the reason why they have this feeling is because they have hidden it for so long, they've suppressed it for so long, and now it's become like a burden. So I'm getting the sense that your person very importantly wants to say that they're almost bursting to tell you about what they feel. They are kind of building themselves up to come towards you, and they find you very attractive, pile number 3. Okay, with the Queen of Wands, there's a lot of attraction, sexual chemistry. They see you as someone smart and brainy, and like just on top of it. All right, and with the 4 of Wands here, I really feel that this person is like, they want something stable with you. They want something stable with you, but they have a fear of rejection with this Tower here. They have a fear of rejection, maybe because, like, you're so awesome. This person at least thinks that, you are like the best, right? And so they're a little scared of rejection, I feel, pile number 3. So I think you should be probably a little bit gentle with this person, because they are kind of, building up their courage. If it is not about confidence, it's about, your person having, gone through some shadows and building themselves, building up their confidence, their positivity, to come towards you, to take a leap of faith towards you, okay? Because you have awakened that in them. Yeah, at the top of the deck, I have Knight of Pentacles. This person is slow, right? This person is slow, and you might be thinking, that this connection is just, like going nowhere. But this person is, like, they are awakened to this connection. They are going to make some passionate declaration of their feelings. I sense with this card, this is your person trying to tell you that they are going to do that, and they are going to meet up with you and do it. It's going to be a reconnection. For some of you, I feel it's a reconnection. Maybe you've been out of touch with this person, and now this person is coming back for a reconnection and telling you there is some sort of major stuff happening here. I feel it's going to be very sudden, pile number 3, for you guys, and your person wants to tell you that it's going to be like after a lull. There's going to be this sudden, like thing coming up from your person's side, which could take you by surprise, I feel. And this is what your person wants to tell you, most importantly. Okay, so I hope that you found this useful. I'm going to say bye now, guys. See ya.